Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to find a Wi-Fi password in Windows 7, 8 and 10. I use the Windows 7, but you can also try this method in Windows 8 and 10 PC. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay, guys, first of all, you can see that internet access connection icon. Now click on it. Now you can see that connection is connected. So click on it and right click, and you can see that different options, connection status and properties. Now click on it and open up properties. Now you can see that when it's the open a property, you can see that open a new pop-up window, wireless properties. Now click on a show characters. Now when you click on it, now you can see that network security key. Now you can see that passwords appear on front of you, and you can also note or copy this password of the Wi-Fi connection. So this is a way to check and find a Wi-Fi password in your Windows 7, 8 and 10. I am sure that this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.